Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers Team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here in Topeka, Kansas. This is a 12-pier job that we're working on over here. We're probably a little over halfway done with getting all of our pier holes excavated. This stretch right here in particular, we are going to saw cut from the wall out maybe 2 to 3 feet. There is on the inside, it's a portion of the cinder block wall that is heavily leaning, so we're going to be heavily leaning inwards. So we are going to be removing this concrete so that we can just safely excavate that, relieve the pressure off that wall, and then straighten that as part of our project out here. But in that, with the trench here, that's where 3 of our 12 piers are going to go. The other 9 are going elsewhere around the house. We'll take a look at those now. So you can see we have a few on the front side of the house. Close to having these done. In the process of working through some roots now. Rest we're getting started. So we got one under the chimney here. Yeah, we got a few more that we are working on. These are all King Pier 2 holes. So we're going to dig 13 inches underneath the footing. And then once that excavation is complete, we have our piers up here. We will be setting our load-bearing steel plate directly underneath the footing, our King Pier on top, 2 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks on both sides of the King Pier, and then we'll slowly raise the footing back up to its correct level elevation. So again, we have 12 piers we're going to be installing to raise the footing of this house back to level, and then in addition we're going to do some repair to the leaning section of the cinder block wall on the back side of the house here. So we should be able to have all the excavation done later this week, and then we'll be looking to get all of the piers installed around this time next week, get them all encased in concrete, and get everything backfilled. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find these on our YouTube and Facebook channels, King Piers LLC. Just search for that if you have not visited before. While you're there, again, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.